Okay, it's Wednesday, August 31st, just following up on Tesla, and you can see here we're broadening out to the downside now, big red bar, kind of working our way to these lows as I was talking about. It's kind of classic price action expectations when I drew the lines here showing you broaden higher, and then you get the reversal. When the overall context is to the downside, you wait for that broadening action higher, and then you kind of anticipating a little broadening action lower towards, take out this low and head down there. That's what we're doing now. So anyway, I was able to scale out of the options I bought it at 6:30 not too long ago. I just sold some at 7:30 to now set up a no risk trade as it heads lower. It's 7:19, 7:25. I just got filled here at 7:30. So now I just kind of watch, the broadening action was expected. We're getting that here. Now we kind of see with no risk, can we head down to the bottom of this range and, either I could take an entire base hit, profit right here and just exit the trade, or I could hold on and see if it goes a little lower at no risk. All kinds of options here. But this was, again, the high probability play. And it moved down, and that's when in the broadening action, that's why you get a little pausing here to start. But if the overall big picture is going to kick in, we should head to the bottom of this range today a little more, but you never know. Again, like I said, it really, Tesla, this was the high probability move of the day, the first move down to take out at least the lows of yesterday, having a little follow through on a big red day. So that was clear. Now, again, I thought this was a high probability play to broaden out to this area, which it did. And now, like I said on the first video, I'll see if it kind of works to the bottom of the range, how weak the market wants to get. But it's no risk, because if we come back up here and don't really get much lower, you just kind of exit the second half of the trade and, have a small gain overall. I could exit everything right here with a gain if I want. So it's just kind of a matter of how you want to play it. We'll see what happens with Tesla now, But again, bigger picture, definitely, I'm still, until things change, I'm going to look for this low to be targeted next as we head down. And the only way that's going to change, it is possible tomorrow, like let's say this day here is another day that looks like it's kind of holding at a key level here. This is the daily chart right in here. And, we broadened and broadened. I'm kind of making the assessment that we're not rallying here and going to head lower, but it is possible tomorrow we start at the midpoint and start higher. And this was just broadening action in this whole area, and we head all the way back up there again. So I don't want to, set in stone that we're definitely heading down there, but as long as this area can't reverse, then I feel comfortable we're getting there, but I can't predict it. So anyway, that's what I'm sensing is heading lower. That's why I went short here a couple of times today, and we'll just see if we can get the follow through. If somehow this whole area holds in here and we start out high, above this area tomorrow, and start up, then, conditions can change that fast. So good trade on Tesla, two good trades actually today, and we'll see where it ends, how much time here. We got a little over an hour to go in trading, so we'll see if it heads a little lower.